Today, let's talk about how to fix the Instagram action blocked error. So if you're using your Instagram account or the Instagram application and you come across this error message, in this situation, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to switch your network. So if you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can then try out is try to log out of your Instagram account and then again re-download it. So these are the first two steps that you can try out in order to solve this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to hop out of the app of Instagram, uninstall it from your device, and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also now be fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps and you're still having issues with it, this is normally caused due to a blocked action. So what you need to do in this situation is just wait out 24 to 48 hours before the block expires. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.